Negesha jamaa gatagati ka madagitari na maofitha a borithi madagitari magikio ngono kurumirira mirungano nja wa thibitari munene wa Kenyatta. Madagitari aya 15 matafanitie mururungano matongoretio ni arugamiriri amwe a kiama kiao nikio KMPDU.
Release Uranira. This is unfair. This is wrong. We are in distress, and that is why we are here. We are not here to kill patients. We are here to help patients. And that is why people go to school so that they can help patients. Why do you employ everyone in Kenyatta National Hospital, from the cleaner to the top CEO, under PNP, permanent and pensionable, except the doctors?
We are not casual laborers.
Where did we go wrong? You want to pay me daily at half the price that is in the market.
That court orders are to be obeyed, and that we are people who are law-abiding. And that is why we didn't do anything much today. But moving forward, if they're trying to use chaos and disruptions to confuse our meetings, chaos and disruptions are our best friends. Thank you. We shall be here more than you might think about this week, next coming week, and we won't tell you the time. We might even come at night.
Matumorete gicanjama giki thutha wa kufutwo wira kwa aruna ao anana na wangi makiria 30 makaheo notithi ya mieri 3 kandarathi cia gukanjwo ni thibitari wa Kenyatta.
Kenyatta National Hospital is employing doctors on contracts, which contravenes the human resource manual that is existing in the hospital. And they're doing this on the basis of saving money. And yet they're saving money that has been released from the Ministry of Health, 15.8 billion.
Kuratuika thibitari wa Kenyatta ndoyanite itumi cia madagitari acio gutigithio wira undu uria utumite thibitari iyo kugia na unyihu wa madagitari.
We as a union are inviting EACC, and we'll write to them today, the way we do it for other universities, to come and investigate how the procurement procedures are done in this hospital, to come and investigate how workers are being employed, because these doctors are being dismissed and there's a list that has been put in place to replace them.
Thutha wao kunyitwo mahingiretwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Capitol Hill Nairobi, ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.